The new Tribit XSound Go is here. 16 watts of loud rich bass with new DSP chip. It's IPX5 waterproof and has 24 hours battery plus 150 feet of wireless range. The ultimate portable speaker.